Hey guys, I'm Francis the instructor and welcome to the Get Licensed Driving School YouTube channel. So Get Licensed, the licensed specialists, have teamed up with Yanimize, the supercar customizers, to create this new driving school with me, Francis the driving instructor. I recently did a video with Yanni from Yanimize talking a little bit more about the project.
Why did you become a driving instructor?
Alright, well it basically combines three things that I really like. Driving, convenient, people, I love meeting new people, and teaching. Teaching is an art form.
Click here to watch it. So this right here is just going to be a real short video about what to expect from the channel and who it's for. This channel is going to be for you if you're about to start taking lessons, if you're looking for an instructor, if you're in the middle of your driving lessons, or even if you've had a license for ages and you're thinking about becoming an ADI like me. I'll be doing some regular tips and tutorials like how-tos on roundabouts and maneuvers. You can join me in the car with some driving lessons and mock tests.
Okay, how's the backrest? We don't want to be leaning back too much. We're not in a Snoop Dogg lowrider video, yeah?
And I'll guide you through the theory test with some hazard perception help thrown in as well. I'll also try and bring you along with some of the influencers that I teach how to drive. If that sounds like videos you'd want to see, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next video. Oh, sorry, just checking the script.